So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today Geeks for Geeks problem of the day is check for balanced tree. Give a binary tree, find if it is height balanced or not. A tree is height balanced if the difference between heights of left and right subtree is not more than 1 for all nodes of tree. Okay. Now let's take this example. It's a balanced tree. Okay. Like we can see here, for 5 it has no left subtree or right subtree. So the left subtree height is 0, the right subtree height is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, it's balanced, it's not more than 1. For 10 the left subtree height is 1 and for the right subtree height is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1, it's also not greater than 1. For this 39, the left subtree is 0, right subtree is 0, so 0 minus 0 is 0. For this 1, the left subtree height is 2 and the right subtree height is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, it's also not greater than 1. So it's a balanced tree, okay, and it's an unbalanced tree. Okay, let's check. For 5, the height is 0 minus 0 is 0. For 10, the left subtree height is 1 and the right subtree height is 0. 1 minus 0 is what? 1. It's not greater than 1. And for 1, the left subtree height is 2 and the right subtree height is 0. So 0 minus 2, if you take the absolute difference, 0 minus 2 is what? 2. So it's greater than 1. So that's why it's an unbalanced tree. Now let's check the code. I will show you the code first. Here is the code. So what we did here, if the node is null, we will return 0. Okay. Then if the node is not null, we will check its left subtree as well as its right subtree. Okay. There is a flag which will help us to check if the tree is balanced or not. Let's check the condition first. If the absolute difference between right and the left subtree is greater than 1, then we make this flag is equal to 1. Now for this example, for this 10, the left subtree height is what? 5 and the right subtree height is what? 0. So what we will return to this 1, like it to its parent, like the maximum between the left subtree and right subtree plus 1, like the maximum of left subtree or the right subtree is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the one left subtree height is what? 2. The same thing we will return here. The difference between left subtree, the maximum between the left subtree and right subtree plus 1. Okay. Now we will call this method and check if the flag is equal to 1, then we will return false. If the flag is equal to 0, otherwise we will return true. Now let me show you the Python code also. So here this is the Python code. Let's compile this. Okay, it's working fine. Let's submit that code. Yeah, it's submitted successfully. Let's submit this Java code too. It's also submitted successfully. So thank you guys. That's all for the day.